Well, hey there, and welcome to the website ROI Calculator. First, I just want to acknowledge you are so brave for coming here. I remember the first time that I decided to put on paper all the money and all the time I had spent investing in my website. And I felt very sad at the end of it that my website had not given me the return that I expected off of that huge investment of time and money. So you're not alone if that's where you end up, but I don't want you to end up discouraged. What I want you to walk away with is an understanding of where you are and an understanding of how you want to move forward with that information. And as I see it, you have two options. One is that you can count this as a sunk cost and say, that's it, I've put enough money in there, it's not generating the return, and I have valid other ways to market and grow my business that will give me a bigger bang on my buck. That is a totally valid choice, and you should walk away equipped with the knowledge that that will be the best decision for you. That's what I want you to have from this ROI calculator. But there's also another option. The other option is that you'll see how much money and time you've spent in this and decide it's time to double down and get this right and really make this asset that I'm going to have forever, because most companies need a website in order to function. I need to make it pay. So what I want you to understand is that spending a lot of money is not necessarily going to equate to a huge return on that investment. So it's not about the amount of money you spend. It's about the way that you're using this asset and how much you are digging into this page, this lead generator, this thing has to perform because it's an asset. I've invested money and I expect a return on my assets. So when you use this website generator, and I've got a how-to video below, I just want you to walk away with a couple of things. First, I want you to know where you are. I want you to be equipped with the information that helps you make a great decision about where you should be going. The third thing is I want you to walk away understanding that every amount of your time is worth something to you and to your business, and that you should expect a return on that investment. Okay, that's it for now. Drop down to the video that tells you how to use this website calculator, how to fill out the form, and then we'll be sending you results in your email and they'll display on the page at the same time. This will be telling you exactly how much money we think your website should be generating over the course of a 12-month period based on the amount of money and time that you've put into it. All right, okay, that's it for now. I hope you walk away with a lot of great information that equips you to make fabulous decisions, because I am all about helping you use the tools for your business online to grow the right business, solve the right problems, and get the online results you've always wanted. Talk to you later.